guys, we invited you to join the LCIF Association. To become a member, just click on the link below. Here you can get support, information, and discounts. Hello guys! So, gagawa ako ngayon ng pinaka-trending na coffee na tinatawag na Coffee Dalgona o Dalgona Coffee. So, ang aking mga ingredients, 2 granules black coffee, I use gold nescafe, brown erythritol, unsweetened almond milk, heavy whipping cream, at yung pang-whisk natin, I will do it manually. So, umpisahan na natin ang ating Dalgona Coffee. So, 2 tablespoons of Nescafe, 2 tablespoons of brown erythritol, and then 2 tablespoons of hot water. Paghaluin lang. Tapos, i-whisk lang natin. Ang maganda nito guys, nakapag-exercise pa kayo ng braso niyo. So, i-whisk lang natin siya until makuha na natin yung consistency. So, magandang exercise ito guys ha. Kung bored kayo sa bahay, madali lang gawin. So, ito na guys. Okay na to. Look at. So, time to assemble na. Ang gagawin ko is half to half lang. Or so. Half cup of heavy whipping cream. Try natin kung magkasya. And half cup unsweetened almond milk. So, I think dagdagan natin yung konti. Yan. Tada! So, may twist ako nito. Yung Dalgona Coffee, lalagyan ko siya ng coffee jelly. So, maglalagay tayo ng 1 cup almond milk. Tapos, kunting ice. Ito yung twist ko. Yung sinasabi ko sa inyo. And then, coffee jelly. So, alam niyo naman siguro kung paano gumawa ng coffee jelly, guys, eh? Yan. O, diba, bongga? May dalgona coffee ka pa, may coffee jelly pa. I hope you like my twist, kaya. Kung gusto niyo, dagdagan niyo rin ng coffee jelly.